Hey there! If you're here, it's probably because you love the holiday season or you're getting ready to make your home feel magical with some Christmas decorations. And let me tell you, there's something truly special about decorating for the holidays. It's not just about putting up lights or hanging a few ornaments. It's about creating an environment that brings people together, sparks joy, and keeps traditions alive. Christmas decoration isn't just visual. It's emotional, and honestly, it's one of the most beautiful ways to bring warmth into your home during the colder months. When you start decorating your home for Christmas, you're doing a lot more than just adding color and sparkle. You're setting a mood, creating memories, and expressing a part of yourself and your family traditions. That little wreath on the door, or those twinkling fairy lights in the window, they have the power to lift your spirits instantly. Even science backs it up. Studies have shown that holiday decorations can actually trigger feelings of happiness and nostalgia. That's because they remind us of joyful times, childhood moments, or the people we love. Another great thing about decorating for Christmas is how it brings people together. Whether you're decorating as a family, with roommates, or even on your own while listening to Christmas music, it turns into a moment of connection. It's a chance to slow down, laugh, share stories, and maybe even make a new memory that sticks with you forever. It becomes less about the decorations themselves and more about the experience of setting up the holiday vibe together. Now, if you're wondering where to start or how to make your decorations look intentional and not just thrown together, here's some advice. Start by picking a theme or color palette. It could be traditional red and green, cozy rustic with wood and burlap, elegant gold and white, or even something fun and modern like pastel or blue tones. A theme helps make everything look more cohesive and put together, even if you're working with different pieces you've collected over the years. Don't forget about lighting. Christmas lights are everything. You can use them around your tree, on your windows, your staircase, even in glass jars for a DIY lantern look. Warm white lights usually give that classic, cozy glow, but colored lights can be playful and nostalgic. If you want your space to feel like a holiday dream, lighting is key. Another fun tip is to mix store-bought decorations with handmade ones. Personalized ornaments, paper snowflakes, or even little crafts made with your kids add so much heart to your home. It's also a great way to involve everyone, especially kids, in the decorating process. You're not just making your house look festive, you're making meaningful memories at the same time. And let's talk about scent. Holiday decor isn't just visual. Smell plays a huge role too. Cinnamon, pine, vanilla, gingerbread. These scents instantly bring the holiday feeling to life. You can use candles, essential oil diffusers, or even simmer a pot of water with orange slices and cloves on the stove. Trust me, your home will feel like Christmas in no time. If you like to go big with your outdoor decorations, go for it. A well-decorated yard or front porch sets the tone before guests even walk in. You can do simple things like stringing lights on the porch or bushes, putting a festive doormat, or adding lanterns and a couple of outdoor ornaments. It makes your home feel welcoming and shows you're embracing the season with joy. Also, think about tradition. A lot of families have decorations they bring out year after year. These items tell a story. Maybe it's a handmade ornament from your grandma, or a quirky little figure from a past trip. Over time, your collection grows and every item holds a memory. That's what makes Christmas decor so meaningful. It's not just stuff, it's history, it's family, it's love. Another big benefit of decorating for Christmas is the way it helps you slow down. We live in such a fast-paced world, and the holidays remind us to pause, reflect, and enjoy the present moment. When you light a candle, sit by the tree, or hang a stocking, you're doing more than decorating. You're creating space for calm, peace, and gratitude. Don't worry about following trends or making your house look like a magazine. The best decorations are the ones that feel personal and make you happy. Maybe it's a cheesy ornament, a funny stocking, or just a strand of colorful lights you've had forever. If it brings you joy, it belongs in your holiday setup. Your home should reflect your spirit, not anyone else's expectations. And while you're decorating, try to make it an experience, not a task. Put on your favorite holiday playlist, wear cozy clothes, grab a warm drink, and enjoy the process. It doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, some of the most charming decorations are the imperfect ones. The ornaments hung a little crooked by kids, the lights that blink out of rhythm, or the handmade crafts that may not match but tell a story. That's the heart of Christmas. It's not about achieving a Pinterest-perfect home. It's about filling your space with warmth, laughter, and love. If you live in a small space, don't feel limited. A tiny apartment or room can still look festive. You don't need a giant tree or a lot of space to feel the spirit. Mini trees, wall hangings, garlands across windows, string lights on shelves. These little ideas go a long way. Sometimes, small spaces actually feel even cozier and more magical with the right touch. Also, decorating for Christmas doesn't have to mean spending a lot of money. Get creative with what you already have. Use books wrapped in gift paper to create height for displays. Repurpose glass jars as candle holders or fill them with fairy lights and pine cones. Visit a local market or dollar store for affordable seasonal items. And remember, nature is full of free decor. Branches, pine cones, and even stones can be turned into beautiful rustic accents. One fun idea is to create a holiday centerpiece for your dining table. It could be as simple as a tray with candles, some greenery, and a few ornaments. Add some ribbon or fake snow, and suddenly your everyday table becomes festive and inviting. It's perfect for when guests come over, or even just to make daily meals feel a little more special. Don't forget the power of music and sound. Playing Christmas music in the background as you decorate or during dinners can make the space feel alive. From the classics to modern favorites, music is part of the atmosphere. It wraps up the visual beauty with emotional energy, setting the tone and creating unforgettable moments. Something else to consider is decorating with intention. You don't need to fill every corner. Sometimes simple and meaningful is better than cluttered and overwhelming. Choose a few key areas to focus on, maybe the fireplace, the tree, and the entryway, and give them your full attention. Add some detail, layer textures, include candles or lights, and watch how those areas stand out. Less can really be more when you focus on creating ambience. Involving others in the decoration process also makes everything better. Invite friends or family to help, especially if you live alone. Make it a decorating party with snacks, music, and hot cocoa. It turns into a memory instead of just a chore. And if you're far from family or celebrating solo this year, decorating for yourself is still completely worth it. You deserve a beautiful space that brings you joy, even if you're the only one enjoying it. If you're into DIY projects, this season is full of opportunities. From homemade advent calendars to painted ornaments or even custom garlands made of dried oranges or cinnamon sticks, these crafts can be fun and budget-friendly. Plus, there's a deep satisfaction in decorating with something you made with your own hands. It adds another layer of meaning and love. Finally, decorating for Christmas is a way to share joy. Not just with those who live with you but also with neighbors, friends, and anyone who passes by your home. It's a silent message that says hope lives here. Especially in times when the world can feel a little heavy, a decorated home can uplift someone's day without you even knowing it. So if you're thinking about skipping decorations this year or keeping it super minimal, I'd say go for it anyway. Even just a few little touches can change your mood, brighten your space, and remind you what this season is all about: connection, joy, and the beauty of slowing down. Thanks for spending this moment with me. I hope this inspired you to embrace the magic of Christmas decorating and make your space feel a little more special this holiday season.